everyone, and welcome to my channel, The Lifestyle with Laura. And on today's video, I'll show you how I made this beautiful Easter egg bouquet. It's super easy to make. Let's get started. These are the items that I'm using in this video. I'll leave a list in the description box below. I'm going to start with this cup and my styrofoam, and I want to just press this cup down just to make an impression on the styrofoam. And you can kind of see the impression of the cup. And then I'll cut around the styrofoam. Just be careful while you're cutting. I just want to cut some of it out. I did have a box cutter, but I couldn't find it. So I'm going to cut through with this knife. Cut your styrofoam to fit snug inside your cup. My foam is cut and I placed it inside of the cup. So now we'll go ahead and take some of the eggs. And the sticks on here, they're pretty long. And I don't need it to be this long. So I'm going to take off about half of it. And they're easy to break, so I'll just break some of them. And keep that to the side. And all you need to do is just figure out how you want to place your eggs. So I have some broke, so let's go ahead and just start placing the eggs in. I'll put this one right in the center. And if you find out that your stick is still longer than what you want it to be, then just break it some more or push it down more. Now your eggs, the number of eggs that you will use will depend, of course, on the size of your cup. So let me just go ahead and start placing some in. I think I'll put it here. Just kind of alternate your colors. Yellow, just kind of play around with it. Look at this purple. Green. So I have this center and then the four, and let's go ahead and we'll do a pink. I'll put them all out. I want to alternate the colors. And then next we will take the tulle This is a very pretty color too. I'm going to cut my tulle in 6-inch strips. And I'm not quite sure how many pieces I'll use. Again, it will depend on the size of your cup or your mug. And what I'm going to do, let me start with this color. It's so pretty. I'm going to just fold it over like a triangle. You can barely see it, it's so light. And then I'll take one of these sticks, or you can take your scissors, and I'm going to just go into the tip of this triangle and just kind of push it down into the styrofoam. And we'll do the same thing with the white, just going through with the purple and with the white, just filling in spaces till it just fill in and looks good. So again, I'll just take my stick, find where you want to put it. This I may actually put on the inside, so let me go in there and put some, because I do want the white to show also. And just stick it in there. Okay, and I'll just keep going through, alternating between the purple and the white, and I'll be right back. I finished adding my eggs and my tulle. The eggs came in a pack of 10, and I actually used 9 eggs. It just depends on the size of cup that you use, and you just put in tulle in all of the empty spaces to make it full. This came out very beautiful, and it's so easy to make. Thank you for watching my channel, and if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe, like, and click that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.